Hi, we are getting ready for Penguich Quilt Walk. See that cute pumpkin and bird back there? We are cutting kits. Here's Miss Ina. And we have the awesome, what is that?
Electric cutter. It's our favorite
biggest
tool.
rotary cutter in the world. Watch how I instructed her how to use this very well. Here it goes. Look at that. Ta-da!
So how many of you are coming to the Penguich Quilt Walk? Make sure you look us up.
We'll be there somewhere. We don't know where.
We're going to have a golden ticket.
Yeah.
Tell us what the golden ticket is.
Our golden ticket is... How do you turn this around? So I can talk.